Hello everyone, welcome to Marriage Korean lesson. Please follow this lesson and you can master Hangul Korean alphabet in 10 minutes. Hangul Korean alphabet consists of consonants and vowels. Hangul letters are made by combining consonants and vowels. Then let's start studying consonants first. Each consonant name is like this. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읕, 피읕, 히읗, 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. And let's study vowels. Each vowel pronounces like this. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 의, 이, 에, 예, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 왜, 워, 왜, 위, 의. Then let's study how to pronounce each consonant. Please pronounce the consonant after me. 기역 pronounces g sound like g sound from gold. 니은 pronounces n sound like n sound from noodle. 디귿 pronounces d sound like d sound from dog. 리을 pronounces l sound like l sound from rose. 미음 pronounces m sound like m sound from moon. 비읍 pronounces V sound like V sound from balloon. Shio pronounces S sound like S sound from strawberry. U has no sound, but if it is located in the bottom, when it makes the letter after combining with the vowels, it sounds like sound from song. J pronounces J sound like J sound from juice. Ch sound from cheese. Q pronounces K sound like K sound from camera. T pronounces T sound like T sound from tomato. P pronounces F sound like F sound from pineapple. He pronounces H sound like H sound from honey. Double gear pronounces G sound like G sound from camel. Double digit pronounces D sound like D sound from tortilla. Double BF pronounces F sound like F sound from pavilion. Double CO pronounces S sound like S sound from sun. Double G pronounces J sound like J sound from jam. Then let's make letters by combining consonants with the vowel R. Ga, na, da, la, ma, pa, sa, a, ang, 자, 차, 가, 다, 파, 하, 가, 따, 빠, 싸, 짜. Like this formula, you can make Hangul letters by combining consonants with other vowels. Thanks.